Yo, what's up everybody? It's Billionaire here. And today we're diving deep, really deep, into the mind of a guy who's basically a real-life Tony Stark, Elon Musk. We're not just talking about your typical 9-to-5 grind here, we're talking about a whole other level of dedication, a relentless pursuit of, honestly, some pretty insane goals. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the scary work ethic of Elon Musk and what it takes to turn impossible dreams into a reality. Let's start with the basics, and by basics, I mean absolutely bonkers. We're diving into the world of extreme work ethics where the concept of a 40-hour work week is laughable. We're talking 80, sometimes even 100-hour work weeks. Imagine working from dawn till dusk, and then some, day in and day out. This dude is putting in more hours in a week than some people do in two. It's like he's living in a different time zone where the clock never stops ticking. Tesla, SpaceX, you name it, he's running on all cylinders, all the time. Elon Musk is the epitome of relentless drive and ambition. And get this, back in the day, when Tesla was on the brink, Musk was pulling all-nighters at the factory. He wasn't just the CEO, he was the guy on the ground, making sure everything was running smoothly, sleeping under his desk, eating whatever was around, just to keep the dream alive. That's dedication, man. It's not just about the hours, it's about the sheer willpower to keep going no matter what. That's putting your money where your mouth is, literally. Investing not just financially, but with every ounce of energy and time you have. He's not just clocking in, he's living and breathing his companies, and that kind of commitment is contagious. It inspires everyone around him to push their limits, to strive for greatness, and to never settle for mediocrity. The results speak for themselves. From groundbreaking electric cars to revolutionary space missions, the fruits of these grueling hours are nothing short of extraordinary. But it's not just about the end goal, it's about the journey, the process, the blood, sweat, and tears that go into every single day. It's about waking up with a purpose and going to bed with a sense of accomplishment. So the next time you hear about someone working a 100-hour week, remember, it's not just about the hours, it's about the passion, the drive, and the unwavering commitment to making a dream a reality. And that, my friends, is what it takes to turn the impossible into the possible. It's not for everyone, but for those who dare, the rewards are beyond measure. Musk isn't afraid to set the bar high, and I mean stratospherically high. He's all about pushing boundaries, challenging the status quo, and setting goals that would make most people just give up. Remember when everyone said reusable rockets were a pipe dream? Yeah, Musk wasn't having it. He pushed SpaceX to the absolute limit, demanded the impossible, and guess what? They nailed it. They landed a rocket on a freaking drone ship. That's the power of setting audacious goals and refusing to back down. Here's the thing about Musk, he's not just working hard, he's working smart. He's got this thing called first principles thinking, which is basically like breaking down a problem to its core. No assumptions, no shortcuts. Like when Tesla needed batteries, instead of just buying them like everyone else, he said, "Hold up, what are these things even made of?" Turns out, they could build their own batteries in-house for way cheaper. That's first principles in action, and it's how he's disrupting entire industries. Let's be real, nobody's perfect, not even Elon Musk. The dude has had his fair share of failures, rockets blowing up, projects going bust, you name it. But here's the difference. He doesn't let failure break him, he uses it. SpaceX, for example, was on the verge of bankruptcy, multiple rocket launches had gone up in smoke, literally. But Musk, he doubled down, poured his own money into the company, and the next launch? Success. That's resilience. That's turning setbacks into setups for something even greater. Chapter 5. The price of ambition. Look, there's no denying it. Musk's work ethic is intense, maybe even a little scary. He often works late into the night, driven by an insatiable desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. His focus is unwavering, and his determination is palpable. He's sacrificed a lot: personal relationships, time with his family, even his own well-being at times. The toll on his personal life has been significant, with countless missed family dinners and important moments. The exhaustion is evident in his eyes, yet he continues to push forward. But that's the price of ambition, of chasing a vision bigger than yourself. It's about making tough choices and enduring hardships for the sake of a greater goal. Musk's journey is a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation and progress. Back in 2008, Tesla and SpaceX were both on the ropes, about to go under. The financial crisis had hit hard, and both companies were struggling to stay afloat. The factories were eerily quiet, a stark contrast to the bustling hubs of activity they are today. Musk could have walked away, cut his losses, but he didn't. Instead, he faced the challenges head-on, making critical decisions that would determine the future of his ventures. His determination was unshakable, and his resolve only grew stronger in the face of adversity. He poured every last cent he had into those companies, risked everything, and it paid off. Big time. The financial strain was immense, but Musk's belief in his vision never wavered. He invested not just money, but his heart and soul into Tesla and SpaceX. That's the kind of commitment it takes to change the world. It's about having the courage to take risks, the tenacity to overcome obstacles, and the vision to see beyond the immediate challenges. Musk's story is a powerful reminder that true innovation requires unwavering dedication and an unyielding spirit. Chapter 6: Humanity's Future, Mars and Beyond. So, what's driving this insane work ethic? Money? Fame? Sure, those things come with the territory, but for Musk, it's about something bigger. He's got this grand vision for humanity, a future where we're not just stuck on this planet, but out there exploring the stars, colonizing Mars, transitioning to sustainable energy. It's not just about making a profit, it's about making a difference. He's playing the long game, thinking generations ahead, and that's the kind of leadership that inspires. Chapter 7: Leading from the Trenches. Here's the thing about Musk that I really respect. He's not just some CEO sitting in an ivory tower. This dude gets his hands dirty, literally. He's in the trenches with his engineers, problem-solving, brainstorming, pushing everyone to be their best. You'll find him at Tesla, at SpaceX, in the thick of it, showing his team that he's right there with them, every step of the way. That's leadership by example, and it's no wonder people are willing to work their tails off for him. Outro: the Elon Musk blueprint. We've journeyed through the life and mind of one of the most influential figures of our time, so there you have it, a glimpse into the scary, inspiring, and undeniably effective work ethic of Elon Musk. From his early days at Zip2 to his groundbreaking ventures with SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has shown us what it means to dream big and work tirelessly to make those dreams a reality. It's a reminder that achieving the extraordinary requires extraordinary effort. The late nights, the endless brainstorming sessions, and the relentless pursuit of perfection are all part of the journey. It's about pushing boundaries, embracing failure, and never settling for anything less than your ultimate vision. Musk's journey is a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of never giving up, no matter how insurmountable the challenges may seem. Now, I'm not saying we all need to become Elon Musk and pull all-nighters every night, but we can all take a page from his book and apply it to our own lives. Whether it's in our careers, personal projects, or even our hobbies, there's always room for a little more dedication and a lot more passion. But we can all learn from his relentless pursuit of progress, his ability to bring together the brightest minds, and his knack for turning the impossible into the possible. His unwavering belief in the power of innovation is something we can all aspire to. It's about looking at the world not as it is, but as it could be, and then taking the steps to make that vision a reality. And his commitment to making a real difference in the world is a powerful reminder that success isn't just about personal gain. It's about leaving a lasting impact and making the world a better place for future generations. So let's take inspiration from Elon Musk and strive to push our own boundaries, embrace our failures, and never stop innovating.